What's up, guys? How you doing today? Welcome to another edition of Project Life. Just editing or putting the final touches on the video, episode 27. Yeah, but I just wanted to talk a little bit because I forgot to even mention it in episode 27. My friend Mike does make music. He makes instrumentals. He's had a ton of experience with making music for vlogs and YouTube videos. So that's who I used in episode 27 from like my transition scenes. So if you guys are interested or are looking for any music, I linked him below in the description box of episode 27, and I'll do the same here. Just get with him on Instagram, send him a direct message, and all the information will be below. So I'm gonna upload this video, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then we'll see where the day takes us. So I suck, and I didn't start the camera, but Whitney's here.
Sitting on the toilet.
Yep, sitting on the toilet.
Sitting on the toilet.
Sitting on the toilet. And because she's so extra and amazing, she got us awesome Christmas gifts. Look at that, buddy. Yeah.
How do you see on that thing?
He doesn't. I'm like, you have a flip down thing, you know, you could use. Oh, sure. It's not like I'm doing my hair. Ow. What is that? No.
My wrapping skills suck, by the way.
Oh my god, what happened?
Paper cut? Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry.
I love how we're opening our Christmas gifts a month later.
I get so excited because I don't have to buy him anything.
I like that color, and since I don't have a man, I was like, you know, I'm gonna buy it for Sean.
What was I just saying? We need like long sleeves.
I know.
Long sleeves.
I was like, you know what? Since I don't got a man, I'm gonna buy it for Sean.
Thank you for getting him that. I literally make him.
So much.
She goes, yes.
Like, please. You could be like a sister wife and just get him things and like.
Honestly, I'd rather just be the sister-in-law.
Clean for him and that'd be great.
I also got my gifts.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
I got this bomb.
I gotta make my shake.
Wait, focus. Focus.
Oh yeah, it takes a really long time to focus.
Okay.
Oh my god, I love that nail color.
Thank you. I forget the nail color. Don't ask me.
Link in my bio.
Legit. Because people ask me all the time.
I know, you need to start remembering that. Take a picture on Snapchat of what you got.
What's it called? Shit, I really forget. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna remember this time. I don't remember. I don't remember anything.
Is it Pure Beauty or something? Yeah.
About to go get some Mexican food.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Looking forward to it because I'm starving. I was like walking like into the darkness. Creep. Let's go. The blur. Yeah. How good is it? So these two are just talking smack about their high school teachers. We just had, what was it called? El Ranchero Grande. And yeah, aren't you gonna get chips for the ceviche?
He said, go with the box.
Okay.
Put
So
it
we're
on the
gonna do
box.
that. Señorita Molina.
Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm here right now.
Brandon, I'm gonna need your stuff.
What's going on, guys? Good morning! Lily and I are gonna go to Home Goods because our last trip to Marshall's was unsuccessful in finding a end table. If you watched the last vlog, then you'd know. So we're gonna head off there, get an end table, get some coffee. Hashtag gift card. Probably
going to Starbucks.
Probably won't use it though. Yeah. Get this thing going. What are we coming here for?
Well, I wanted to look.
So I forgot to turn the camera on Home Goods, but we found a table. Success. It's really, that's a really nice one, and it was a good price, which is rare for Home Goods.
I know, very rare.
Yeah, excuse the sun, it's blinding me. Now we're going back to Marshall's because there was some flowers and accents that Lily wanted to put on top of the end table to put in the background of her videos. So we're heading there now.
Let's go down this little path.
Little path. Let's do it. Marshall's did not yield anything besides a rug, right? That's all we got there. But you already know what time it is, ladies and gentlemen. Courtesy of your girl, Whitney. Thank you. Let's go.
We are the best. We are the best.
Live reaction. We're going to the Super Bowl. The Patriots just won. They came back again like they always do.
Amazing.
I really didn't want to film during the game because I wanted to watch the game and enjoy it. And they won. They're going 7th straight AFC Championship game. Going back to the Super Bowl. Let's go. Excuse the hair. I look like a freaking mess, but I don't care. Hey, hats off to Jacksonville though. They played a great game. Blake Bortles made some throws that I didn't even know he could make. You know, they played a good team game and they almost beat us.
Almost.
Almost. Because the Patriots are the best. We're the best, baby. Let's try to make it one more. Either Philadelphia or Minnesota. Look how beautiful she is.
Thank you.
So we're at Bed Bath & Beyond right now because we've been striking out in Marshall's and Target and Home Goods. We got the table from Home Goods.
Yeah,
but
I don't think you showed them the table, did you?
No, I didn't. I'll show you that when we get back. So we're going to Bed Bath & Beyond right now to get some, just some more accents that we didn't get.
Yeah, they want to do a home decor haul.
So right now she's looking for a bath mat, new one. We got pillows. So that's a check. So I think that we might be able to chalk up Bed Bath & Beyond as a win. Boom. Sorry if I seem low energy. I did a really intense workout today. And I'm still kind of sluggish from yesterday because I didn't really track my diet as well as I should have. Let's just put it that way. So if I seem low energy, that's why. But gotta get it back up, baby. Alright, so we got some pillows and stuff in Bed Bath & Beyond. But this is the little bureau table that we got. Lily has it all done up really nice for the video that she filmed earlier today. Take a look. It's nice. It's gray with silver handles and stuff. was relatively cheap, especially for home goods. So I think it's really nice, and it complements the office quite well. Goes along with our color scheme, like the white, off-white, gray, like modern look we got going on. So that's cool. Just read my chapter for the day. Cross that off the power list. Gotta go to my regular 9-to-5 job tomorrow, and I have like, I can't be the only one. You know, Lily and I can't be the only ones that absolutely hate our jobs. Regular 9-to-5 jobs, that is. Like, I cannot stand it, man. Like, I get like this like pit in my stomach, like when I have to go back to work. And man, just like brings me down into this like black hole. I absolutely despise my job. But you know what? I gotta take that and I gotta use it. I gotta use it as fuel to the motherfucking fire. Like the feeling that I have right now, I gotta freaking ball up and just remember it. Next time I feel like slacking off, next time I feel like taking a break or not working on my other businesses and my other ventures, like this is the feeling I want to avoid. I need to wake up every day with a purpose, or not with a purpose, I have a purpose. I need to wake up every day feeling fulfilled. And when I have this camera in front of me, I legitimately feel like that. So long story short, if you guys hate your regular job, if you hate where you're at, do something about it. Do something about it. Take action. And just know that you have to be patient. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen, probably not going to happen a year, 2 years from now. You need to stay aggressive, stay consistent with the action that you take, and know that it's going to pay off. If you think about it, your typical business, from everything that I've read, doesn't see profit for 5 years. So whatever it is that you really want to do with your life, or whatever it is that you really want to go after, give yourself 5 years and then reevaluate. And not just 5 years like, oh hey, I'm gonna be a singer, and not do anything, and 5 years later like, well, that didn't work out. No, 5 years of actively pursuing that goal. And then ask yourself, did it work? I guarantee you, if you legitimately, and you're honest with yourself, if you legitimately go after something and spend 5 years of your life doing it, you'll make leaps and bounds and probably get to a point where you didn't think it was possible. So I'm gonna end it right here, guys. Appreciate you checking it out. Make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't. And if you found value in it at all, entertainment or otherwise, please share it with one friend. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Thanks for letting me vent to you. Thanks for being there for me. Even though you might not realize it, this is my outlet. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys checking it out, giving me your feedback. Thank you.